For the sales pipeline, we have a board view. We don't do that in too many places, but it is very effective for moving something through a series or sequence of events. And so the objective here is that we would be wanting to put suspects or people that are not aware of our company into this column, which is just a status. And so these two companies are companies that we would like to sell cabinets to, but they're not aware that our company exists. And then the next step would be to try to make them aware of us. And so as soon as we do that, whether we reach out in person, via email, a phone call, whatever that is, once they know we exist, we would take them and slide them over into the next column. So now they are aware of us, so they're a prospect. They've moved from a suspect to a prospect. And then the next step would be to see if they need cabinetry. So in many cases, a builder or remodeler would go straight from suspect. As soon as you make them aware of you, you know they have a need for cabinetry, so you would move them all the way to the qualified. But if you're dealing with an individual that may or may not be building or remodeling, you have a lead that says they might be. Until you know that they do need cabinetry, you would leave them in this prospect category. But once you determined that they were a qualified lead, someone who needed cabinetry, then you would move them into this column. And then your objective is to try to make them into a customer. And so ultimately you want to slide them into this customer column. Now we hide this column because it would get pretty long for some of you, so we just keep it hidden. But if this client actually purchased cabinets, your efforts toward marketing and sales had them to purchase cabinetry from you, then you would slide them into this customer column. And now you'll see there's 4 clients in there. And so that's the process. It's super simple. And the objective is that this is in front of you every day. You come to your dashboard and you start reviewing these things. And this is reminding you, hey, I still want to reach out to this World Domination Homes. I still need to try to talk with these people and try to get them qualified to see if they need cabinetry. And then I need to try to move those people that are in the qualified in to become a customer. And so that's it for the sales pipeline.